Yo, what's going on, guys? Kieran can't Yoyo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I have a chopstick inspired trick by Ryuichi. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Bang. I did still miss the bind there. But anyway, before we get into this video, gonna be using the Zenon for this tutorial. Otherwise, yeah, let's go. So to start this trick off, you're going to do a slack similar to a 1.0 hook, but instead you're going to catch it almost as if you've missed it. So I like to call it a 0.0 hook. I'm sure there are other names for this slack, but it's similar to doing the keychain whip, only around your non-throw hand. So it's just like a little semicircular arc, like so. From this semicircled arc, you're going to notice that you should be in an undermount. And what you can do with this undermount is turn it into a chopsticks, like so. The way you do this is by pushing your thumb and middle finger into this string. Right, so you're under and like this, so. And then you're just placing that yo-yo in that, like, in that gap there. Right, you see how, like, that's there? Put the yo-yo there. And that creates this like slack thing. From here, you can then bring your throw hand to, or your non-throw hand, sorry, towards your throw hand and under, like so. And then you can pop the yo-yo out the back of this like sub-mount looking thing and place it into, right, by bringing down this top string, you can place it into a green triangle around your thumb. From this green triangle inside your thumb, all you're going to do is a tension hook by swinging the yo-yo from your throw hand to your non-throw hand, and then letting your non-throw hand index finger catch this string here, and then that will push the yo-yo and hopefully this triangle formation in a semicircle, so you can perform a suicide and catch it. Looks something like that. I like to catch it inside like the 1.5 ring triangle instead of it just being on my index finger, but you can do either way. Do as popping the yo-yo from the front to the back like so, and now you're in a sub mount. Do a little pop up, but then let it fall off the yo-yo, and then from there just perform a bind. I've been 3 for 3 of missing that bind now. That's pretty crazy. So, little 0.0 hook, chopstick, round, triangle, suicide, pop to the back, pop off the sub mount, and bind. And yeah, that's the whole tutorial. So if you've got any questions, let me know down below, or you can reach out at Kieran Can't Yoyo on Instagram. Otherwise, do all the likey, YouTubey stuff. And make sure to leave hype. I've got no clue what it does, but apparently that's really good for engagement. So leave a hype, and yeah, peace.